Hey guys, welcome to One Dish Veg on Non-Veg English. Today we will see how to make barbecue flavored chicken biryani. For this you'll need chicken, basmati rice which will be soaked before 15 to 20 minutes of cooking, spices namely coriander seeds, cumin seeds, star anise, bay leaf, peppercorns, black cardamom, elaichi or green cardamom, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves, and jaifal. Turmeric powder, red chili powder, and shahi jeera. Curd, oil, and ginger garlic paste. Green chilies, tomato, and onions. Mint leaves, coriander leaves, salt, and a small piece of clove. Now in a kadai, add all the spices, leaving 2 elaichis and 1 bay leaf to add later on in the biryani. Roast all these spices for a while and then grind them into a powder. After the spices are roasted, grind and keep aside. Now in a cooker, add oil with the bay leaf and elaichi. These are the bay leaf and elaichis that we saved when we were roasting the spices. In this, add the shahi jeera.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again.
With this, add the onions.
Set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I?
After adding the onions, saute them until it turns from a pinkish color to a translucent. While they are sauteing, add salt. Add the ginger garlic paste. Add green chilies.
But when I say what's that about, you
onions and green chilies are well fried, add the tomatoes.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
Fry the tomatoes well as
Why,
well.
baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I
Now add the turmeric powder and red chili
Why
powder.
do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Add the brown powder which we grinded from roasted masala. Mix all of these well.
Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
After everything is mixed, add the chicken. The chicken should be nicely washed and cleaned before use. Make sure you coat the chicken properly with the masala. Now add the rest of the salt. When you were frying the onions, you added just enough salt for the onions. Now add the rest of the salt for the whole biryani. Now, after the chicken is well fried, add the curd.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words.
Add the mint leaves and coriander leaves on
Say the
top.
words to remember. Now we're here to take control.
You can add as much or as little of these coriander and mint leaves as you want.
We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.
Mix well.
Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your heart. Feel it in your legs. Feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Add water. You have to add 3 glasses of water. When the water starts boiling, add rice. Here you can use normal rice, but adding basmati rice makes it a bit more yummier.
We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here.
Mix very gently or else the rice will break. Here you can check the salt, and the salt should be a little bit more than you actually need so that after it's cooked it's perfect.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let
Sprinkle with some more coriander and mint leaves.
your body go and move to the rhythm.
Cover it with a lid. Now keep an old tawa on the stove. And put the cooker on top of it. And then put something heavy on the cooker. After 10 minutes, take off the lid and wait.
I wonder what went wrong today. Why do I feel like I
You have to stir it now very gently or else the rice will break because it's really hot and obviously the rice is cooked, so it'll break really easily. So give it a very gentle stir and then put the lid back on. and put the heavy thing that you used back on. On the side, roast some coal or burn some coal. And now after 5 minutes of putting the lid back on, put a small bowl into the rice like this. And then put the burning coal in it. You have to start burning the coal before a little time because it takes a while, and then pour some oil or ghee on it and cover immediately and put the heavy thing on top and then switch off the flame. After all the steam is over, take off the lid. In this time, the steam of the coal will give that flavor to the whole biryani, and that's the barbecue flavor in this whole biryani. And barbecue flavored chicken biryani is ready. Serve hot with raita, onions, cucumbers. You try it out this way once, and I'm sure you'll like it. And the rice is also amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.